Okay, and we're back with a question you've probably seen before, and that's thanks to Sam's comment up here. And he found an ingenious way of doing this question in a whole different way. Now, I have to be honest, Sam, I think that way you've done it is a little bit too smart because in an exam situation, the likelihood of someone being able to recognize that we can manipulate the algebra, the x here, to make the by parts easier is probably a slim chance. Though, this is what I love about maths. You can come to the same answer and do it a slightly different way, and you can then compare and contrast with which method works for you. It's brilliant because you should explore new ways of doing the same question, especially if you're going on to studies to make mathematical in the future, because you start entering 4-5D space and it will get confusing if you don't have something that suits you. So, I couldn't get an exact form you said, Sam. I am sorry, I couldn't get that 2x plus 2 minus 1, but the x plus 2 bit did still work. So we had 2x plus 2, and then to equate it, we then subtract 4, and then multiply it by x plus 2 to the half. So just to explain to everyone, the x plus 2 to the half comes from the root x plus 2, so you can ignore that. And then all we've done here is we've changed x for x plus 2, and then subtract off the extra 4. So it's a bit like the completing the square with the minus 4. And the reason we've done this is because then when we multiply across, we're just ignoring the integral for a second. We can multiply it, so this has to multiply with each term. It simplifies very nicely to 2 individual terms. Now we'll stick it back into the integral. So 2 integral between 2 and 0 x plus 2 to the 3 over 2 with respect to x minus 4 integral x plus 2 to the half dx. And again, this is where I prefer writing 2 separate integrals. I know in your comments you wrote integral, then big brackets, and then the dx at the end. They both mean the same thing. And again, a very clear example where you can have some personality with maths, as nerdy as that may sound. I will do the next couple of lines working, and then it's going to just take us to the exact same place we saw last time. So we get 2 square brackets. This becomes 2/5 x plus 2, the 5 over 2, 2 and 0, minus 4 square brackets. That's 2/3. Can't read my own handwriting. 3 over 2. That's 2 and 0 as well. And then we can expand out. So